Okay, so now we're gonna show you how to schedule a task where like you can automatically shut down your computer. Um, the computer will do it for you, or even restart without you having to be at the computer. So let's get started here. The first thing we're gonna do is go to the start, and yeah, it's there for me right now in this menu, but it's not gonna be there for you. So what you're gonna have to do is do a search for task scheduler. And see, I didn't even have to fill it all out before it brings it up here to the top. So once you have task scheduler, you click on the top there and it pops it up. Now we have task scheduler menu open. We want to click on action and then create basic task in order to get to the create basic task window. We're going to name it shutdown 2, and then you can put a description in here if you need to do that. You don't have to name it shutdown 2 either. You can name it just restart or shutdown, whatever you want to do. I have plenty of tasks in my computer right now that are named shutdown, so that's why I have to do that. But you can write a description, and then once you're done, you click next. When do you want the task to start? So this is basically the frequency of when this task is going to run. What triggers it? Well, we want to do this daily. Okay, we want to shut down the computer daily. So we'll hit next, and then we're going to start it at 12:36. Recur every 1 day, so that means it'll recur every day, and start on today. We don't really have to synchronize across time zones, so we'll go ahead and click next. What action do you want to perform? We want to start a program. The shutdown command is a program, and we are going to start a program, so select start a program and click next. And then it says programmer script, so it wants you to point to where this program is that you want to start every day. So we're going to browse, and it should be in the System32 folder. Once you browse, you are going to look for shutdown. That's the name of the program. Which is right there. So we select shutdown, we click on open. Now once we do that, there's some other options here to add arguments. Shutdown, you have to give it the argument to actually shut down is /s. There is another option to delay shutdown by however many minutes. You can do /s space/t 60 seconds. Although I don't think that's a very accurate thing. It may be a little bit different, but /s is to shut down, /t, excuse me, /r is to restart. So let's just say we wanted to do a restart. We would do it exactly how we have it here, but we do /r, and then we hit next, and now we have completed it. So we hit finish, and now we've got our restart program here in the task manager. But we gotta, in order to view it, we gotta go to the task scheduler library, and we scroll down to find our shutdown. And we have it here. And so this is what it's going to do. So the triggers are on 12:36 p.m. every day. The actions are pointing to shutdown exe, and then the command is /r, which is restart. Okay, if it was actual shutdown, it'd be /s. Now, looking at the other settings here, here's another one that does shutdown. And this specific one counts down for 50 seconds. So it's /t 50 seconds. So if you wanted to do that, you could input that for 50 seconds. I think the default is 60 seconds. So if you were to do this restart here, it would come up with a message right here that your system is about to shut down. It will be shut down in less than a minute, and that's what would happen. So now we have that. Well, let's say on that day you're working a little overtime and you don't want to have it shut down. Okay, let me go ahead and run it. Shutdown /s. I need to put a space here. So this is what it will look like. It'll be logged off or shut down in less than a minute. Okay. Now, if we wanted to prevent it from shutting down, the way you're going to have to do it is do shutdown space /a, which means abort, in the run command. And see, log off is cancelled. Now let me do that a little bit. Let me do that again, since I had to do it really fast so my computer didn't shut down. The run command, you won't find it here. That's not the default place for it. You'll have to search for it, run, in the run command. Okay. And the program would be shutdown /s. Okay, so this is what it'll look like when you have the task scheduler actually activating its scheduled task. So you would click on run and you would do shutdown space /a, and that would cancel the log off. So I hope this was very informative. Let me know if you have any questions.